Hello, children. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Today, we are going to discuss an interesting topic which are in our regular life. So, once you observe this picture, what's going on here? In this picture, here shown the different fruits, grains, vegetables, proteins, and also the children observing these all fruits, grains, vegetables, and proteins. So why they are observing? Because these all our food habits. So today we are going to discuss a new chapter, food habits. So how the people having the food habits of different region and what are the food habits of the people, let us discuss in this chapter. First, we discuss a few friends. They went to picnic in Dasara holidays. In that holidays, they went the picnic and they made friends with the children who came in from the different places. They all members met in the zoo and they watched different animals and they gathered at a place in afternoon. And they started to eat whatever the food they bought from their homes. Let's see what are the food they bought from their home. Let us see the different children have bought different food. So here one of the student, Prasad, he belongs to Nizamabad district. He eating the rotis. What he ate? Rotis. So rotis made from millets. Do you know why millets are grown in our village? He is Prasad and his village people mostly they grow millets. That's why in his village people they are eat only rotis in the morning and at night. Let us see one more child. She said, "Hi, I'm Manzula." She came from Mahabubnagar district. She eating fish curry with rice. What curry? Fish curry. Because of her village nearby the Krishna river, so there plenty of available fishes. That's why she liked to eat fish curry, and her village people also eating fish curry. And one more student, Satyam. He belongs to Karimnagar district. He eating rice. So rice is coming from the paddy crop. In the Karimnagar district, most of the people they are growing paddy. So in Satyam's village also, most of the people they are grown paddy crop. That's why in the Satyam's village, people they are eating rice. And one more student, Venkatesh. Venkatesh belongs to Vikarabad district. He drinking ambali porridge. So this ambali comes from ragi. So in the Venkatesh village, most of the people they are growing the ragi crop. That's why in Venkatesh village people they are eating, drinking ragi and ragi food. So all the members in his village, they like ambali. So after we discuss the example of these four friends, they are belongs to different region and they had different food habits. So their food habits is based on the availability of food in their village. Prasad village availability is the millet, and Manjula's village fish, and Satyam's village paddy, and Venkatesh village ragi. So these four members food habits depend on their village food availability, means which crop they village people grown, that crop based they have the food habits. So okay students, our village food habit also depends on availability of crop. In your village, which food habit available? What is the food habit of your village people? Let us see once what the different people are eating here. One student ate rice, one student takes ragi ambali, one student takes the fish curry, one student take the roti. So these all different people, they are eating different. What do the people of your village we eat? What the crop available in your village, that crop product only eating in your village also. So if your village peoples grow paddy, your food habit is rice. If your village people grow jowar, your food habit is rotis. Okay children, in this way our food habit depends on availability of crops in our region. Okay, thank you very much.